What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I've done a recent pickups or closet tour type of video. So that's what we're going to get into today. I've got a couple of new pieces right off camera over here that I want to show you guys that I'm really excited about. And I also want to talk about how they're going to work with your style for the spring and summer, stuff like that. So let's jump into it. So first let's talk about shoes. Now I teased these in a recent video where I talked about Air Force 1's, but I just made these custom Air Force 1's from Nike by You. Now the inspiration from these comes from Paul over at Locust and Wild Honey. He showed these on his Instagram page and on YouTube, I believe. But these are absolutely sick. Like, you got the cream laces with the cream tongue, hits of gray here and there. Overall, this sneaker is absolutely fire. And I wasn't a huge fan of the Air Force 1 until I really saw this design, because I don't like the all white Air Force 1 look. It just looks too basic. Everyone has that sneaker. So I decided to mix it up, customize this pair, and copy Paul because I thought these looked dope. And these came in really not that long ago. It took about 3 weeks to make them, and they came in, and I am very, very satisfied. These are awesome. All right, next up we have the Fear of God Raids. Now you guys may or may not know, I got these a few months back, and I've probably showed them on the channel before, but I don't care because these are one of my favorite sneakers. You can never show your favorite sneaker too much. Like I said guys, these are one of my favorite pickups of the year. They are absolutely amazing. They're my daily drivers. I wear these all the freaking time, and I absolutely love this sneaker. Alright guys, next up we have a couple pairs of pants from McKenzie Menswear. Now I have seen these guys on Instagram. I've been following them on Instagram for probably a year or two now, and their stuff looks absolutely sick. I never pulled the trigger on it just because the time wasn't right or whatever, but I finally got my hands on a few pairs of their pants, and I am super stoked to show them to you. So first off, we're going to start out with these track pants. These are the black and white track pants. As you can see on both sides, they're a different color. You got the zipper pockets, you got the drawstring belt, and then down there at the knees, it actually says Born Center. That is sick. It's a sick detail, and that's not just like screen printed on there. It's actually like velvet. It feels super, super high quality. Like, I'm actually quite blown away with the quality of these. I have the minimal track pants as well, and these feel like a little bit of a heavier neoprene material, whereas those are a little bit more thin and soft. So these feel like these are really, really high quality. You got the zippers down here at the bottom. They are YKK zippers as well, so you know that's quality. Overall, very, very satisfied with these track pants. These are absolutely sick. Alright, next up we have a pair of jeans. Now this is one of their newer releases. This is called their belted denim. This is very, very reminiscent of the Fear of God 6th collection denim with the denim belt. It's got this super, super creamy stone wash. Look at that. That is amazing. And I'm seeing these for the first time right now. Yeah, I had them off camera, but I didn't really look at them after I opened the packaging, and these are really nice. Wow. No zippers at the bottom, thank God. Zippers on the bottoms of jeans in 2020 is just not a thing anymore, man. Like, I wish it was, because I like that trend, but it's just not cool anymore. Wow guys, I'm really, really impressed with these. They feel really, really nice. They look great in person. They aren't like super stiff. They have a little bit of elastic in them, which means they're gonna be really comfortable, I assume. Yeah, these are awesome. Super, super stoked about these. All right, last up we have the Black Painter's Denim. These are another pair of the stretchy denim from McKenzie. They have some nice paint splattering here going on. It's really, really subtle, which I love that, because sometimes paint splatter on jeans can be too much. You can tell when paint splatter has been overdone, but this is not the case on these pants. This is really, really nice, and it's like it's there, but it's not like too much in your face, you know what I'm saying? You also got some knee blowouts here. This is a stretchy pair again, so this is gonna be really comfortable. No zippers at the bottom, but there's still some nice fraying down here that they've done, some distressing on the cuff. That looks great. And then the paint splatter goes all the way around to the back as well. So all the way around these jeans, you got paint splatter. These are sick. It's a nice faded black wash too, which looks really, really great. Yeah, I mean, even looking at them even closer, there's some distressing here along the pocket. And a little paint nick up here by the waistband. Like, lots of detail in these. Surprisingly a lot of detail. I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed, McKenzie. Awesome, those pants are absolutely sick. Guys, I have to give a huge shout out to McKenzie Menswear for sending over a care package to me. These pants are absolutely amazing. They blew me out of the water. I was not expecting that. They are absolutely awesome. If you guys want to check them out, I will link them for you in the description. Plus, that link will give you 20% off of your order. And I really, really suggest it, guys, because their prices are really, really great. You're going to get a super high quality product, and it looks incredible when you get it in person. Totally worth it. Head over to McKenzie, check out the stuff. Again, the link is in the description. Use that discount code, and don't forget to let them know who sent you. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, click that subscribe button as well, turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post a video next, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.